Welcome to the training overview of Project Resolution. This 7-week program focuses on simple, time-tested exercises, set and rep schemes, and workout splits. Now, just because this program is simple, it does not mean it's easy. Now, if you want any program to work, you have to be ready to train to absolute muscular failure on every working set. The closer you push yourself to failure, the more you'll jumpstart your fat loss through lean muscle gain. Our bodies want to maintain its mediocre status quo, but in order to turn ourselves into a fat-burning furnace, we have to leave the body with no other option. When we train our muscles to failure, the body has to make changes. Now, I believe in training to failure is just as important psychologically. If you can give it your all in a gym, and I mean truly your all, then I know you'll gain the confidence and competence to accomplish anything in life. Now, if you're not ready to give it your all during the training sessions, then you may as well just turn off this video right now. But if you are, then let's dive into the format of the Project Resolution training program. You'll be training 5 days a week, with rest days on the weekends. On Monday, you'll train your legs and your calves. Now, your lower body is literally your foundation, so don't neglect it. On Tuesday, you'll train your chest with key compound pushing movements. On Wednesday, you'll hit your back with pulling movements. On Thursday, you'll train shoulders and abs. Friday, you'll train your arms. And on weekends, you'll rest from weight training. Now, don't forget about sleep. Sleep is crucial for fat loss. It's important to take this time off and get quality sleep and ample rest even on the days that you do train. The workouts vary from week to week, but they're all built on proven exercises designed to target multiple muscles and multiple joints at once. We'll be primarily training compound movements like bench, leg press, and overhead press. For most of the exercises, you'll perform 3 to 4 sets between a 10 to 15 rep range for each of these exercises. Now, this rep range has been shown to initiate muscle growth, what we call hypertrophy, more than any other rep range. Now, this rep range will cause muscle damage and forces the body to expend more resources just to recover and burn more fat as a result. This training program will show you the effort and the focus it takes to expand your limits to what you think is possible. At the end of the 7 weeks, you will have transformed your body and transformed your mind. Now, go through the program PDF and get an overview of the training routine. Prepare your mind for intense training sessions and get ready to achieve your best physique in 2023.